Serving the community since 1860, the Nanuet Fire Department has provided fire services to the people of Nanuet, utilizing the current firehouse at 7 Prospect Street as a cornerstone in the local area for the past 70 years. However, that firehouse is now rife with structural and safety issues, causing it to no longer be a viable and safe option for the community. It is a critical priority to explore another alternative to the existing firehouse. The current firehouse now has numerous code violations, structural cracking due to inadequate soil, substandard mechanical and electrical systems, and is often prone to serious flooding during storms. The building also cannot comfortably house modern firefighting equipment due to the low ceiling and tight spaces, making it difficult and dangerous for volunteers to quickly respond to emergencies. Volunteers who are dedicated to serving the community face risk and injury every time they respond to calls because of the deficiencies in the building.
Our firehouse is here on Prospect Street. The original firehouse was built in the 1940s with additions in the 1960s, and it was built for fire trucks at the time. And we have, obviously, with the modern fire equipment we have, outgrown our space. We typically flood here during heavy storms, and we've created, it creates quite a hazard for the firemen. Not only a hazard when we respond, but a health hazard. The building is in spots developing structural cracks from poor soil conditions. Basically, we've outgrown our firehouse here.
Though numerous alternatives have been explored in the past decade, many were deemed too expensive, risky, or compromising to the emergency services already provided. After careful consideration, the district purchased a 2-acre lot on Old Middletown Road, which would house the proposed new facility. It would include a significant increase in space for firefighters and equipment, featuring 6 bays, much-needed administrative space, meeting and training spaces, the ability to house today's larger trucks, and solar panels for energy efficiency.
The new firehouse that's been designed will definitely take us in for the next future, for the next 50 to 70 years plus. It's been designed with the future in mind, not only for the firemen, but the residents of the community of Nanuet. It's been designed to handle the new modern fire apparatus that we have, and plus anything that's going to come along in the future.
Since the district had the fiscal responsibility and foresight in planning for the future, the Old Middletown Road property was purchased using capital reserve funds that have been saved over the past 15 years. The land is now owned by the taxpayers, requiring no special bond issue or added cost to the proposed project. The total proposed cost of the project is $16.1 million, equaling an average of $14.23 a month for a home assessed at $135,000. Once again, the firehouse on Prospect Street is lacking basic safety standards. Continuous issues with the building hinder the district's ability to properly serve the community. The new proposed firehouse would remedy all of these problems, providing a safer response from volunteers and the ability to better serve the community.